My name is John Healy and I drive for AR Demolition. I've been working as a plant operator for 27 years now. Started off with JCBs as a kid really with my dad on the old JCBs, and just progressively worked up through from JCBs up then to high-max track machines, and just tried to get on bigger machines really, just to keep a challenge up. The challenges of the high reach is there can be a lot of danger in it, but you've got to look at the building and just debuild it in the safest possible manner really, be it either concrete or steel. But there's a lot more danger with steel buildings. You've got to consider the weight of the object of the building that you're taking down. If you can minimise the weight by correctly cutting it into, the smaller the pieces the better, the safer for me. As you're taking a building down, top down, you've got to consider if a piece of steel or a lump of concrete was to glance off the building, it can catapult back out towards you. And I intend staying around another bit yet. This Volvo 700 compared to a standard excavator, we've got twin arms for it. It's got a standard digging arm which we can do up to 19 metres demolition. We'd put it in straight mode. We've got the big screen protection and the cage on the front. We've got the tilting cab on this. It's got the heavy duty undercarriage, and the arm that's on it at the moment we can do up to 32 metres, 29 with the standard three-piece demolition arm, and then we can put a 3-metre extension in to take it up to 32. But then you have to drop, at the moment with 29 metres I can operate a 3.5 tonne shear or pulveriser, and if you take it up to 32 you have to drop down to a 2.5 tonne tool then. The Volvo's quite good, it's very driver friendly. The cab is very good compared to some other excavators, and it's, at the end of the day you don't feel totally wiped out. It's got good driver comforts. Well, the Volvo's got good power really. From some other machines I've drove, it does exactly what you'd expect it to do. It's a big machine, but it's got good power, and with the standard digging arm on, and we've got a big ripper tooth for it as well, it'll pull bases out nearly the size of the machine itself. I'd say if I was probably into buying a machine myself and going into demolition as a business myself, the Volvo would be probably the machine I would pick, because it's good. It's good to the driver. It's good on fuel as well, and with the interchange, I like the twin locking pins to swap the arms over. It's basically an hour with a lad giving you a hand to swap from standard equipment to 3-piece demolition, and it's a good strong machine, very robust, and it does exactly what you want.